I'm Gracie. Today we're doing a bit of a different video. We're going to be making some chocolate chip muffins for our neighbours. First you'll need to make sure our oven is preheated. Then we will need our ingredients. We will need baking powder and self-raising flour, some sugar, some butter, some chocolate, some milk and some eggs. First we will need to mix our baking powder and our flour together. Next we will need to add in the butter and rub it together. I think it's ready now. So before we add anything else, I need to wash my hands. Okay, now I wash my hands, so we will need to add in the sugar and the chocolate chips in. Then we will need to mix this up. Okay, now this is all mixed in. Put this to the side and mix our eggs and our milks in together in a separate bowl. Okay, this is all whisked together. Now we need to add it in and give it a quick mix. Okay, now it's time to put the mixture into the paper cases. These will need around 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Okay, so they've had about 15 minutes in the oven and they're ready to come out. They'll need about 10 minutes to set. And then they're ready to be packaged up and delivered to our neighbours. Okay, so we've wrapped them up, we've stuck a sticker on and we've put the name tag on and now they're ready to hand out.